Hello friends, in this video we are going to add this kind of buttons in the sales order. Okay, so let's start how we can add such kind of buttons into that sales order so that we can perform any action over here. Like if I want to push this order in Zoho, then I will create this button. On the behalf of this button, I will push that orders to the Zoho, MailChimp, you can say HubSpot, anywhere you can send it by using these options. You can manipulate the things. Okay, so in this video we are just trying to add these two buttons before plugin and after the before initialization, and after that how it looks. Okay, so we have to use the plugin method to use these buttons. Okay, so let's go to the folder structure. First of all, we know that we need to create module.xml, right? etc module.xml. In admin.html, we need to add the di.xml for override or the plugin method, right? So I'm going to open this method. What we have the plugin before method. What we are extending? Magento backend block widget button toolbar. Basically, it is toolbar, right? Now I am plugin name is this one, sales order, and plugin before plugin I am using type, and where it will take this from the plugin before, and same plugin before view I am just using the plugin before view, the same we are using the methods. Now we are going to move by our method. Next one is the helper. This is nothing. Go to the plugin. There is plugin before.php and there is plugin before view.php. Here we are adding before push buttons. Let's check in the root folders that we have this method or not, because most of the things are we are taking from the core, not like doing from here. Every functionality, every plugin data is there in the core module. Just we have to use it. How we can use it? So it says no. So let's we can go to the this vendor. Then we go to the Magento module sales. We have module underscore sales. This is the whole structure that we have. We have a plugin method, shipping label converter. They have. Go to the admin HTML where it's etc admin HTML. Okay, here we can use it if you want to override or do something. We are using this module sales method whole. Okay, so let's go to our module that we have code, and after we have the two functionalities. Like before plugin method, I have added the push order and window.location.rf. You need to set window.location.rf whether the location we can pass it to the controller, you can pass it to the another one, because here you need to, if you perform the action, then you need to add the controller and do the manipulation over the controller, and what the data it will return, you can update the data or do something with the data. Okay, Same with the another one, that is push. I have already window.location.rf on click where location you need to set. Right now window.location.rhf means that it will reload on that section only. It will not going to redirect and doing some manipulation or calculation. If you add this calculation, then you have to take the path of the controller. After clicking on that controller, it will redirect to that controller and do the manipulation and all, right? So this we can modify before get order id before what we can do the manipulation, after order id what can we do the manipulation. This kind of stuffs we can do with the click on the button. So this how we can override the plugin using the plugin method. Okay, so this is how we are managing the things. See, we have the two buttons. Right now what happening, if I click on this button, it will redirect to the same location, because sales order view, which is I already mentioned that window.location.href. Again the same button. See, nothing will happen. If I go and press F12, and if I clean this console, and what the URL is hitting, it's just redirecting to the same module. So this way we can add buttons in the sales order view. Okay, so hope you like this video, and if you like this, if you have any queries, then please comment below, and please do like and comment so that I will be motivated and uploading more videos on that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.